If your car breaks down in winter and you don't have these items, you're in trouble. No heat, no help, no options. Here are 12 simple things you must keep in your car in winter. They are cheap, easy to find, and they can save you if you get stuck. Item 1. A jump starter. This usually costs between $40 and $80, and you can buy it on Amazon or in any auto parts store. In winter, car batteries lose power very fast. Sometimes one cold night is enough. You come back to your car, you turn the key, and nothing happens. A jump starter lets you restart your car by yourself in seconds, even if no one is around. This is the most important winter item you can have. Item 2. An emergency thermal blanket. This costs around $5 to $10, and you can find it on Amazon, in pharmacies, or outdoor stores. When the engine stops, the heater stops too. The temperature inside the car drops very quickly, especially at night. This blanket keeps your body heat inside and helps prevent hypothermia. It's small, cheap, and extremely effective. Item 3. A flashlight. This costs about $10 to $20, and you can buy it on Amazon, in hardware stores, or even at gas stations. In winter, it gets dark early, and visibility is often bad. A flashlight helps you see the road, the engine, and lets other drivers see you. Your phone light is not enough, and phone batteries drain fast in cold weather. Item 4. Warm gloves and a hat. This usually costs around $10 to $20 total, and you can buy them almost anywhere. Cold hands make simple things very difficult. Opening the hood, holding tools, or even using your phone becomes painful. You also lose a lot of heat through your head. These two small items help you stay warm and functional. 5. An ice scraper and a de-icer spray. This costs around $5 to $15 and is available at gas stations, auto stores, or online. If your windshield is frozen, you cannot drive safely. An ice scraper clears the glass, and de-icer spray saves time and effort. Never use hot water because it can crack the windshield. Item 6. A small snow shovel. This costs around $15 to $25 and can be bought on Amazon or in hardware stores. If your car is stuck in snow, spinning the wheels won't help. A shovel lets you clear snow around the tires and under the car. Sometimes, just a few minutes of digging is enough to get moving again. Item 7. Sand, salt, or kitty litter. This costs about $5 to $10 and can be found in supermarkets or hardware stores. When your wheels spin on ice, you have no traction. Putting sand or kitty litter under the tires gives grip. This simple trick can get you unstuck very quickly. Item 8. A tow strap or strong rope. This costs around $15 to $30 and is available on Amazon or in auto stores. If another driver stops to help you, you need a safe way to pull your car. A proper tow strap is much safer than using random ropes. Item 9. A reflective triangle and a safety vest. This costs around $10 to $20 and can be bought online or in auto stores. If you stop on the side of the road, visibility is critical. Other drivers must see you early to avoid an accident. Item 10. A power bank and charging cable. This costs around $15 to $30 and is easy to find anywhere. Your phone is your main lifeline in an emergency. Cold weather drains phone batteries very fast. A power bank lets you call for help, use GPS, and stay connected. Item 11. Water and snacks. This costs around $5 to $10 and can be bought at any supermarket. If you're stuck for hours, your body still needs energy. Even simple snacks help you stay calm and focused. Item 12. A basic first aid kit. This costs around $10 to $20 and can be bought on Amazon or in pharmacies. Small injuries or cold-related problems can happen. A basic kit helps you deal with small issues safely. Conclusion: approximately 20 to 30 seconds. All these items together cost very little, but they can make a huge difference in winter. If you drive during cold weather, you should have these in your car. Check your trunk today, not later, because winter emergencies don't give warnings. Subscribe for more simple and useful car tips, and share this video with someone who drives in winter.